Ennoconn Corporation is a technology company pioneering in IPC design and system integration. Ennoconn has invested in new product and technology innovation, while making tactical investments with our leading strategic alliances. Through comprehensive product development, excellence in manufacture, and consistent customer satisfaction, Ennoconn has a steady growth as illustrated in yearly sales revenue. Ennoconn has made substantial progress in product technology. Its product line covers controller boards, cards, mechanical systems, software, system integration, and turnkey solutions. The team have developed proprietary core technology, a strict quality control system, and also premium products with a perfect cost-performance ratio, not limited to traditional JDN or ODM business. Ennoconn cooperates with partners in strategic investment and corporate marketing based on a trusted relationship. Ennoconn is leveraging Foxconn Group's global resources and combining with S&T's superior software development capabilities, as well as user scenario application experience. Through Kontron's exemplary brand and marketing channels layout and MIC's excellent system integration capabilities, as well as other subsidiaries such as Caswell, GoTech, High-End, and Desatec, continue to devote time and effort to the OEM JDN field. Ennoconn is uniquely prepared to the whole IPC vertical for service. As a result, market share expansion in industrial computers and a highly positive outlook towards multilateral industrial leadership with a global footprint. Ennoconn Corporation key products including embedded motherboards, industrial control boxes, point of sales, ATM control systems, industrial automation, gaming, robotic control systems, and medical information industry, high-end workstation with other major applications. These products play a key role in proactively participating in the industrial automation system integration, big data analysis, and related hardware and software integration service. MIC provides an extensive service network. The business scope covers CMP, photomask, wafer, and mask inspection, consumable spare parts, SOI wafer, LCD process, and inspection equipment and materials. Outsourcing service in tool manufacturing, clean room, and MEP turnkey projects, DI water, gas, and chemical supply system, wastewater treatment system, facility monitoring and control system, etc. An intuitive presentation of math information, 3D visualization of the plant structure, and manipulation of the message display, integrate the production and energy consumption related information, an intuitive alarm monitoring and management system, a seamless integration of the fire alarm and CCTV system, the click-to-watch function of CCTV. What you see is what you get. Present the information of individual areas. The 3D visualized smart monitoring system for factory. Caswell have been working in industrial communication appliance and dedicating itself in the domain know-how of intelligent platforms, multi-core computing, high-frequency signal processing design, radio frequency design and verification, FPGA design, auto testing. Caswell is able to offer total solution for the IoT era. AIS has been devoted to designing and developing high-quality products with innovative technology since it was founded. AIS offers an embedded system, multi-touch panel PCs and displays, design and manufacturing service, and artificial intelligence-oriented solutions, such as rolling stock, smart automation, machine vision, robot control, autonomous vehicles, deep learning, intelligent traffic, intelligent surveillance, logistic automation. High-end technology is a professional mechanical manufacturing company and provides the best mechanical solution for smart city products. like AFC, POS, lottery, vending machine, and gaming machine, cloud computing products like server chassis and racks, and automation equipment. DataTech has been dedicated to providing smart home total solution for years. They are one of the few companies in the industry that possess the capability to establish a complete smart home ecosystem, built from the ground up in the hardware, firmware, and software integration with app and cloud system. Furthermore, DataTech is the world's first company to be qualified by Apple for HomeKit BLE certificate. In the future, Ennoconn will continue to foster innovation and progress in the industry, restructuring hardware manufacturing to brand and industrial Internet of Things, while allowing the integration of a full range of products. Ennoconn will be the world-leading IoT solution provider.